Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY. So thank you so much, Sams, for sending over this hair. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this new synthetic wig. All right, you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So today's unit is by the Stylist. It's one of their 13x6 pre-plucked invisible hairline. It's invisible lace and it's 100% human hair master blend. So that means it's a blend of synthetic and human hair fibers. So this one is the most realistic and natural looking parting space, and this one is called NISHA. I do have her in the color Biolage Chocolate Lilac. All right, so this is what she's looking like on the stock card. And she does have multi-directional parting because it is a lace frontal. So it is soft lace and the hairline definitely looks like it is nicely plucked. It does come with baby hairs, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. You guys, do not mind my nails. I'm in the process of taking them off. I'm going to get them done in a couple days, but I don't want them long anymore and I want to try glass nails. So I do have to take my tips off. So I'm in the process of taking them off. You guys, so I am going to cut off the lace and go ahead and pop this unit on. If you guys like my influencer hat, it is a part of my collection from GLEEmade.com. So you can definitely head over there and you can use the coupon code DRAGONESS to save you 20% off if you want to grab this influencer hat. I do have this hat in 4 other colors, so definitely go check it out. You guys, this wig is really cute. I definitely love it. It's definitely shedding. I don't know, is that because of the way that I cut the lace off, but it's definitely shedding. But this wig is so cute. The color, I'm loving, absolutely loving the color. I'm loving how easy it was to finesse this hairline and to, you know, get this wig looking dope. I love how it looks. It's super cute. It's reminding me of some other wig that I've had in the past, but I can't remember what it is now. But yeah, she's cute. The hair is definitely good quality. Like, I can feel that the hair is soft. Even down at the ends, it's not dry. It doesn't feel tangly at all. Whereas when you have long units like this, sometimes it can feel very dry and tangly. So I definitely think it's good quality. Let's go ahead and part her and see how she's looking. So she definitely parts easy. I feel like I would like to see some layers here. Like, I could definitely see some layers here. Yes, very cute. Tell me what you guys think about this wig. I think it's definitely adorable. Let's see from the other side. Very, very cute. You guys, I have been trying out the Stylist wigs, and I have not been disappointed with any of them yet. This is a new company for me. I think I've tried maybe 4 wigs from them. They are sold on SAMSBEAUTY.com, and I think these wigs are definitely gorgeous. This color combination is new to me. I've never seen this before, this chocolate with this lavender and lilac. I think it's phenomenal. I love it so much. I'm gonna turn around so you can see this unit from the sides and the back. Alright, you guys, tell me what you all think of this wig. I think she's absolutely adorable. I would definitely rock her. I feel like she is great holiday hair. I could see me wearing like a really glittery, beautiful dress to a holiday party and rocking this hair. Like, phenomenal. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments down below, and make sure you check out this wig on SAMSBEAUTY.com. I'll see you in the next one.